Hello everyone, I'm David Lewis and welcome to another tip of the week. Do you understand that a goal is something that is achieved and not just something that you get as a result of working day to day? In my business as a trainer, I've often found that people who fail in this business or have minimal success do so as a result of not setting clear and reasonable goals or not following through on them if they actually had goals they wanted to achieve. Achieving goals is not a matter of coincidence or luck. It starts with a dream that has a beginning and an end in mind. There are usually many levels of goals that must be achieved along the path for reaching the ultimate goals we want to achieve. But each step of the way should take us closer towards reaching our dream if the goals we set are worth achieving. The average car salesperson sells around 10 to 12 cars a month. Often this consists of waiting for customers to arrive at the dealership and taking your turn with the next one as you work through the ups that come to the dealership in search of a vehicle. This is not the process a winner follows who is serious about building a growing customer base that will carry them through their career and grow steadily into a great list of loyal buyers. Winners go after their goals with the determination of someone who is not just holding down a job, but is building a career one customer at a time, giving every one of them their best effort. So, what is your goal for today? Will your steps today take you where you want to go to accomplish your ultimate dream? If you don't think so, well then set better goals and start working on them to make your long-term dream become a reality.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.